Today, we're talking about a device you've probably seen everywhere, the Apple AirTag. It's that tiny little tracker that helps you find your lost keys or your wallet. But this helpful piece of tech has a hidden side, a risk that's really important for all of us to understand. So that's the big question, isn't it? On the one hand, these things are incredibly useful. But on the other, that same technology can be misused in some pretty scary ways. So where is the line between a helpful tracker and a tool for stalking? That's what we're going to break down. Now, I want to be really clear. The point of this isn't to cause fear or make you worry. Our goal here is simple: to help you stay aware, stay calm, and, most importantly, stay safe. It's all about giving you the knowledge you need. Okay, so first things first. To really get a handle on the risks, we have to understand how AirTags were designed to work in the first place. Let's take a quick look at the technology behind them. So what exactly is an AirTag? Well, at its heart, it's just a small coin-sized tracker. You clip it to your keys, you pop it in your bag, and the idea is you can use your phone to find it. But the real magic isn't in the tag itself. It's in the huge network it connects to. And here's the really clever part. An AirTag doesn't have GPS or an internet connection. Instead, it sends out a little Bluetooth signal, like a tiny, quiet beacon. Any iPhone or Apple device in your die can pick up that signal and, completely anonymously, relay the AirTag's location back to you. It's basically a giant worldwide search party. And it's that brilliant design that, unfortunately, also opens the door for misuse. Right? So that massive anonymous network is what makes the AirTag so powerful. But what happens when that power is used against someone without their knowledge? This is where we get into the hidden danger, when convenience can turn into control. You see, the very thing that makes AirTags so fantastic for finding lost stuff, their ability to be found by almost any Apple device anywhere in the world, is a real double-edged sword. It's also what makes them a powerful tool for someone who wants to track a person without their permission. And because they're so small, they can be slipped into a purse, a car, or a coat pocket really easily. This can be used for hidden surveillance. And while Apple did build in a safety feature, a beeping sound, that speaker can actually be disabled, making the tracker silent. This creates a really big safety gap, and it's especially a problem for certain users. Okay, this is a really critical point. If you have an iPhone, your phone will automatically warn you if an unknown AirTag seems to be traveling with you. You'll get an alert that says AirTag found moving with you. But if you're an Android user, you don't get that automatic protection. You have to download a special app and then remember to manually scan your surroundings. That difference is a major concern when it comes to personal safety. And this isn't just a what-if scenario. This is something that's really happening. Back in 2022, police departments started issuing public warnings because they were seeing a rise in cases where AirTags were being used to track people's movements and routines. All right, so understanding the risk is the first big step. Now, let's move on to the most important part of this whole discussion, what you can actually do to protect yourself. This is your guide to staying safe. Here are 5 simple steps you can take. First, if you get one of those alerts on your phone, take it seriously. Investigate it right away. Second, for all the Android users out there, please install the Tracker Detect app. Make it a habit to scan your surroundings. Third, listen for any unusual beeping sounds. An AirTag is designed to make a noise if it's been separated from its owner. Don't ignore it. Fourth, physically check your things, your bag, your car, for any devices you don't recognize. And finally, if you do find a suspicious AirTag, disable it. And disabling one is actually very straightforward. All you do is press down on the shiny metal back, twist it counterclockwise, and the cover will come off. Just take out the little battery inside. Once that battery is out, the AirTag is completely offline. It cannot track you. You know, all of this really comes down to one core safety principle. If you ever feel like something is off, a weird alert on your phone, a sound you don't recognize, trust that feeling. Always stop, think, and verify. The goal is not to fear technology, but to stay informed and cautious. When you understand how these tools work, you empower yourself to navigate the world more safely. Truly, when it comes to your personal safety, awareness is protection. If you stay alert, you stay safe. Thank you for taking the time to learn about this. Stay safe, stay aware, and please share this information with your family and friends. It's a simple conversation that could make a world of difference.